Hi guys, welcome to Over Crochet channel. Today I would like to show you how to make amigurumi loop or sliding loop. A nice example for it will be this flower. Please subscribe to my channel to see more useful videos, and let's get started with these flowers. Take the yarn and fitted hook. Leave the tail like approximately 10 centimeters. Now make amigurumi loop or sliding loop. We have short tail over here on the top of your finger, then cross it over like that. Now hold long tail, grab the hook, put it under the cross, grab the working yarn, pull it up, and now make first chain to secure. Now we can remove sliding loop from the fingers. That's how it looks like. And now we're gonna work into this ring. We will make our first petal. Insert the hook into the ring, grab the working yarn, pull it up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We made 1 single crochet. We need to make 8 more single crochet into this ring. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull it up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is the second single crochet. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, and 9th. Total 9 single crochet into the ring. Now we can pull short tail and tie up this ring. Hold your work with your right hand and pull short tail till desired hole in it. I usually pull till the end, or you can pull it a little bit later also. Now we need to join. Insert the hook into the first chain that we made in the beginning. Grab the yarn and pull through all loops at once. Make slip stitch. First row is done. Now second row we will make petals. 3 chain, yarn over, insert the hook under both loops of the single crochet of previous row. Grab the working yarn. We have 3 loops on a hook. Yarn over, work through 2 loops, yarn over, work through 2 rest loops. We made double crochet. We need to make 1 more into the same loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, into the same loop we just worked. Grab the yarn, pull it up, yarn over, work through 2 loops, yarn over, work through 2 loops. We did 2 double crochet into the 1 space. It's called 2 double crochet increased. Now to finish our petal, we need to make 3 chain, and into the next loop of the core we will make slip stitch. Insert the hook under 2 loops, grab the working yarn and pull through all loops and through the working loops also. It's called slip stitch. We made a petal. Now we need to repeat all the steps and make 4 more petals. Again, 3 chain, 2 double crochet increased into the next stitch. This is the first double crochet. This is the second one. To finish our petal, we make 3 chain and work slip stitch into the next loop. We made our second petal. Continue the same way. 3 chain, 2 double crochet increased into the next stitch. Three chain, slip stitch into the next loop. That's the third petal. Again, 3 chain, 2 double crochet increased into the next stitch. 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the next stitch. We need to make 1 more petal. 3 chain, 2 double crochet increased, 3 chain and slip stitch into the first chain of this row to join our row. Now we can cut the yarn, pull working yarn over, and look what we've done. If you want, we can make this ring smaller. Just pull up the short tail a little bit more, and it will be no hole in the middle. Then hide the tails onto the wrong side, and your flower is ready. I also done from different colors. Thank you for watching.